How to connect Mailchimp to Shopify. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply sign up for your Mailchimp if you don't have any account. So make sure to sign up for Mailchimp. Once you do that, the next thing that you have to do is to simply search for Shopify App Store, which is the main thing of this process, and go for the official Shopify App Store, and you just have to search for Mailchimp. And once you search for that, you have to make sure to go for this email marketing. Simply tap on this, and as you can see, there is an option to install this. After that, simply tap on install, and you just have to log in with your Shopify. So once you log in with your Shopify, again you have to install Mailchimp in your Shopify store directly. So after that, you have to put your email and password of your Mailchimp account in Shopify, and you are good to go. So hope this helped. This is how you can connect Mailchimp to Shopify.